Best TRT doctor in Orange County. What to look for before you book. If you're trying to find the right TRT doctor in Orange County, there's one thing you need to know before you book with anyone. Most clinics are going to put you on the same protocol they put every other guy on. This video is going to show you exactly how to spot that before it wastes your time and your money. Here is what cookie cutter looks like in practice. You go in, they pull one number, your total testosterone. And if that's low, they hand you a standard dose of the exact same thing they gave the last guy. No deep labs, no conversation about your symptoms, no adjustment period, just a prescription and a follow-up in 90 days. That is the majority of what is out there. And the reason men don't get results is not because TRT doesn't work. It's because they never got a real protocol in the first place. So here is what to look for before you hand anyone your trust. Criterion number one, they test everything, not just a total testosterone. Total testosterone is one number. It tells you almost nothing on its own. A good provider looks at free testosterone, sex hormone binding globulin, estradiol, cortisol, thyroid, and a full metabolic panel. Without that picture, they're guessing. Ask the clinic what labs they run before starting you on a protocol. If the answer is a single testosterone number, walk out. I'm serious. Walk out. A thorough intake panel should cover at least 10 to 15 markers. We do 25 here. Criterion number two. The protocol is built for you, not copied from a template. Men's hormones don't all work the same way. Two guys with the same total testosterone number can feel completely different and need completely different protocols. Dosing, delivery method, frequency, and what you stack with your TRT all need to be individualized. Ask them how they decide on your starting dose. If they give you a standard answer without asking you about your symptoms, your goals, your lifestyle, or your blood work, they are using a template. That template was not built for you. Criterion number three, you can actually reach your provider. Can you call them? Can you get an email response? Can you get a text response? Can you actually reach your provider? TRT requires ongoing adjustments and modifications. How you feel in week 2 is going to be different from how you feel in month 3. If you can only communicate with someone through a portal and you wait a week for a response, problems go unaddressed and your protocol drifts. Before you book, ask how you communicate with your care team between appointments and what the response time looks like. Same day access is a standard worth expecting. Anything slower than that, and you're on your own when it matters the most. Criterion number 4, your provider has been where you are. Men's health optimization is not just clinical. There is a psychological component to this. The fatigue, the loss of drive, the feeling that you're just going through the motions. A provider who has lived that, diagnosed it in themselves, and come out on the other side understands it way differently than someone who only read about it. Listen to how they talk about symptoms. Do they describe them clinically, or do they describe them like someone who has actually felt them? That difference in language tells you a lot about who you are dealing with. One of my guys, Mike, came in after a friend basically dragged him here. He had already accepted his decline as normal. You see this all the time. He thought his dad bod was just how things were always going to be for him. He figured that was just where his body had landed, and that was it. His friend told him to get his hormones checked first before he gave up. Mike followed the protocol. He followed the nutritional guidance. He got to 175 pounds lean and muscular. He felt great. In the way he put it was that he would recommend Action TRT 1,000 times over. What I want you to hear is not the weight number. It's the fact that he had already quit. He was already done. He thought his best version was behind him. And the only thing standing between where he was and where he ended up was finding out what was actually going on inside his body. That's what a good lab panel and a real protocol can do. And that's exactly what we do here. If you're in Orange County area and this resonates, reach out. The first step is a free consultation and a comprehensive lab review. No cookie cutter intake, no assembly line. This is not a TRT mill. The link is below. Come find out if we're the right fit.